Hello. What's up, guys? What up? What's going on? How's everybody? How's everybody about they doing? Pump off the open. No, what's going on, guys? I'm not talking. No, wait. There. What's up, guys? I think Jaden's going to the gym. I trade on this account during for Asia. Let's catch a good trade today, guys. Let's see. We had better price action as far as my strategy today. How was your guys' New York session? You guys take any trades? Awesome. Why you taking too many trades, bro? Nice. I made a good amount of profit myself too. I don't know if I'll trade New York tomorrow. You mean today? I'm not sure what we can do just yet. We did recover a good amount. I'm gonna wait around 15 to 30 minutes before I take anything. Because honestly, I have a lot going on tomorrow. I'm putting my dog down at 4:30, so I don't think I should trade New York. All right, let's get some technicals down. So we somewhat started rejecting up off this area. Let me delete this. Anybody catch this bounce Discord this morning at 2:33ish? I caught it after we retraced. So seeing we came down, touched this, started pushing back up. On this candle, I got an entry at like 384, and I rode it all the way up to this 21 EMA. So like it was like a 70-point trade. Pretty good. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. Thank you guys, appreciate it. He's old. I've accepted it. You know. He's 14 and he's a Siberian Husky, so I mean, he lived a long life, you know. It would have been wrong for me to keep him. No, I cannot hear. Hold up. Jen.
Gene,
There, I can hear you now.
why do you always do this to me?
Well, cause my output switched. I think I had my volume down all the way down on my main monitor.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I am okay.
Yeah. That is good.
Right back today was something else.
What was it?
Yeah, I mean,
I caught a good trade today.
I caught a decent trade this morning. Like, God, it was 30 points, but just was a lot. Like, if you look at the 1 hour chart, it's just freaking candles stacked next to each other the entire day until the end of the day.
Yep, for sure.
5 dojis in a row. Like, kinda silly.
Mm-hmm. Kind of like to see us come down and test this 577 area.
Yeah, I'm just charting real quick because I haven't really. I looked on my phone earlier at what happened the rest of the day, but I'm just catching up.
Should a huge pump up.
Yeah, what was that? Was there news or something, or just
I'm not sure. I have honestly. I've been so busy today. I
what
haven't
have you
paid
been doing?
attention. Well, we watched the Nebraska game today, and then that was
So
this
busy.
morning after trading. We Nebraska won, and then I had my class at 12 from 12 to 1, and then I left. I went to the gym, and then I went to go get some food, and then I came to the office.
You
I
mean your
played.
class? What's
Huh?
your class? What's your
My
class?
I'm taking a Spanish class right now.
What?
Yeah, I'm working with the tutor one on one to just basically just for improvement.
I thought you speak Spanish already.
No, broken.
What? For
Yeah,
real?
super broken. Yeah.
I had no idea.
Yep. But that's just the cost. I mean, I'm trying to invest in myself and in my education. What really sparked the interest is I was telling Jada on that I kind of missed school because I just graduated in May, so I kind of missed school and just the vibe of having homework and learning stuff. So I was like, you know what, I'll try and improve, not only for professional but for my personal life as well, with language.
I love that.
Yep. My dad speaks fluent, but like his he could even be speaking better. Like I want to be at a professional level eventually.
I,
Yep. And then honestly, I don't think it'll take that long. I've already been making a lot of progress. Think it'll probably take me probably until like November to really get where I'm at, where I want to be, and then after that I'm probably going to take up another language.
oh, another language?
Yeah.
Like what?
Probably something similar. So Italian, French. My friend, he's very fluent in Spanish, good speaker. He actually taught himself French in like probably like 4 or 5 months. He taught himself French. Um,
Or,
so I was thinking about maybe doing French um or Italian, or I don't want to go into any of the hard languages yet. I want to stick with something that has that's close to either English or Spanish. I've thought about Vietnamese too, just because it uses the Latin letter system.
hmm,
Yeah,
I did Japanese in high school and I don't remember
yeah.
3 years. Three
Well,
years of it.
the thing too is, so I guess it's kind of different with French, but with Spanish, the Spanish that they teach people in high school, that's like usually it's more Spanish lean towards Spain Spanish, which is very different from Mexican Spanish. So just because that's who I'm always around, I hired a Mexican tutor from Mexico City.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So you're learning proper Mexican Spanish.
Yep.
Love it. Very
The,
exciting
the
stuff.
thing is, I want to learn languages that I'm gonna use. Like I'll use, of course, when I'm at a professional level in Spanish, I'll be able to speak it, in a professional setting. But with French, I don't know any French people or anybody that speaks French, and then I don't know anybody that speaks Italian. So my
Mm,
next option would be Vietnamese, just because that's what lives here. That's what my friends are. So yeah. But no matter what it is, I mean, honestly, I feel like people don't take advantage or they don't challenge themselves with trying to learn something new, you know?
Yeah, for sure. That's how I ended up getting into trading. So I wanted to learn something. I was bored.
Yeah. That's the thing too. I guess I've focused so many years on trading. I mean, there's not really I mean, I can still learn, don't get me wrong, but it's more just learning about yourself at this point. I can't really learn much. I don't want to learn more when it comes to technicals just cuz I don't want more influencing on my trading, you know?
Right.
Cuz what I'm doing works.
Sure does.
What's up, Roger? Yeah. But yeah, I'm excited. Thing too is you want to have places or people you can practice with as well. And I have tons of people I can practice with.
Like me.
No. Honestly, Jen, your son's getting to that age. I'd honestly consider signing him up for language classes too.
I think he'll do language at the school he's gonna go to next
Yeah,
year.
like honestly, if you can do it young, like that's what I want to do with my kids. I want them to know Spanish, English, Spanish, and at least one other language. Like it's important. Like you have these kids in other countries, like especially Europe, they know, you know, 3, 4, 5 different languages, and you know we only know English.
Right. Yeah.
Even in like China, like these kids know, you know, they're of course they know Chinese, and they're also learning other Asian languages, and a lot of them are learning English too.
It's true.
You know, then you got to think too. You got to study languages that multiple countries speak. Like French is a good one. I mean, I guess it could be because a lot of countries speak Creole, and then there's tons of Spanish speaking countries. English, we already know English. Yeah, that's crazy. I speak Russian, Bulgarian, Spanish, and English. I want to learn Russian, but I don't know. I'm kind of. It's intimidating. Arabic is intimidating too, and Chinese is the final boss. It's probably the hardest one you can learn.
Look at you bettering yourself.
Yeah, it's exactly what it is. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Proud of you, buddy.
Thank you. Got to keep getting better.
I'm over here just trying to survive.
Jen's just trying to survive. I like it. I think we're gonna get some type of pullback and then a push up. Just don't know where we're gonna get the pullback to.
Yeah. I'm hoping there's a good move since there was a lot of consolidation today. Could be a sign that we get a good move.
Did it?
In Asia. What?
Damn, someone said that Asia opened at the same price as it did yesterday. Opened 622. No, it was like a 10-point difference, but that's pretty close. Yeah, we should look at the daily. Honestly, we could continue this bullshit and just go straight back up. No lie. I do think we are gonna push up, but just not sure when. This market's kind of weird. Look at my hour. Trying to come up with a game plan. So we are somewhat far from the zone, but honestly, So what I'm thinking is we make a little bit of movement back down and then try and push up towards it, or we come just straight up push into it and either reject off of it and then push up. That's what I'm thinking for today, guys. Sucks that we got stopped on the last of those contracts yesterday because it went stupid. I think our entry was 606 and it went to 725. I don't really have anything I like too much right now. I'm just gonna hold off and wait.
What gold's doing? Whoa.
You know what's moving to is oil.
Oil. Never traded.
Traded it like once back in the day. I haven't traded it in a long time. It's hard to say where this market's gonna go. I didn't even see your text.
Yeah, I was on here for like 5 minutes being like, Jane.
Jennifer, find us a trade. Find us a trade.
I don't see anything I'm interested in at the moment. I want to see us move a little more, you know?
Do you want to see us move?
When I was on for New York this morning, actually the past 2 mornings, it's literally felt like watching Asia price action.
No, I don't know. I feel like it's like watching Asia, but yeah, it's back and forth, but the back and forths are like 100 points.
True.
I was just telling, I was showing chat the trade I got this morning. It was a banger.
What was it?
Longs at
same long that
375. Nope, I was already done way before him.
Oh.
Let's see, I go look.
I would have taken the long from like 394. I probably would have taken it closer to like 4.
I got filled at like 400, so I got filled on this pullback here.
Hold on, I'm not looking at your screen. I'm on my laptop. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. I wasn't on yet, but I totally would have taken that. That was like a A+ setup for me.
Yeah,
that was a great trade.
It went 120 points. I think I took like 70. Yeah, I got all out at 500. So I guess I got like 90. But I did take trims on the way up. I was all out at 500. Literally, that trade happened so fast.
That's a good one. That's good.
Did we push past the retracement of the session? We did.
Honestly, I feel like trading in Cube lately just feels like a lot of work.
I know.
You know, like it just is kind of exhausting a little bit.
Tons of it. What's up, Benji? Nobody even comes to the office anymore on Thursdays. Everybody just hates me.
I didn't even know you were gonna be there. You never gave me the invite.
I'm always here every day. My stream max out when I'm at home.
You were at
Hopefully,
home. I was on here with you.
huh?
You were at home the last time I was on here with you.
Yeah, I know. But and it was not. It was being weird. I think all you guys just need to move to Colorado. What up, Benji? White, we need to get you in here. I notice your color changed, White.
What
Nice.
does that color mean?
Moderator.
Oh, what?
Yep. So White could he could silence people.
Oh, thank God. Somebody needs to. Just kidding.
Silence Jen.
Yeah, silence me.
Or silence.
Barely even say anything in the chat unless people are being annoying. Then I'm like, stop being annoying.
Silence Brandon. Your name is White, Roger, on my end. Shows White for me.
There's white?
His name is White, yeah.
No, I'm just saying the colors. There's white, blue, purple, orange, or pink.
Yeah, me and you are pink. We need a blue name. I need to have Jaden change that.
You want to be blue instead of pink?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause. Can you hear me? That was weird. Can you hear me, Jen?
Yeah, I can actually hear you way better now.
That's so weird. It like crashed.
I can't hear you now.
It's cause it went off.
Well.
That's so weird, yeah. You should be able to see my screen now.
You say you're bullish? Like you think more loans are gonna come in?
I think yeah we could if we get above honestly this area. I feel like we want to come test the 700 tonight. Even just so why I say that too is because on the daily we came and we caught demand down here, and I feel like we're just gonna try and get back into this range. On the weekly, let's look. I don't know. I feel like we're one big event away from the market just falling.
Yeah.
You remember last year we kept hitting what are they called? Breaker something?
Oh, limit downs or whatever.
Yes.
Where they like pause the market
Yep.
if it's strong.
Halt it. Yep. Damn, that's crazy. Oh, this is 2021. What am I? Wait. Yeah.
Dude, I feel like a spider bite
That's
on my
2025.
or some bite.
That's crazy. This time last year, we were at like in the 19,000s. Was anybody trading back in 2020? Were you, Jen?
No. I was not.
Remember, we did nothing but fall. Did anybody trade 2020? That was an interesting time. Yeah, see, look too on the monthly, we're back below. We can't close below above the 21 EMA on the weekly. We haven't been above it technically since the first week of February, and it looks like we could possibly want to make a move lower. We would need to get like stay below this 24,000 though if we did want to push down. That's crazy to look at the market on such big time frames. It's like, how much money did you lose in these candles?
Sorry, I'm back. I had to talk to you with something. I don't know if you were talking to me.
No, I was just talking about. I'm looking at the weekly chart and I'm just like, look at just all the movements we made and how much we move. Looking at a bigger aspect because each candle is a week, and I'm just like, how much money did you lose on each of these candles?
Right.
I don't even know what an inverse fair value gap means. I think that's ICT. I don't trade that. Jen trades ICT.
Of course.
She does.
SMC to IFVG.
I trade WTF.
And lots of liquidity sweeps.
We did close, or we did open above the 4-hour 8 EMA too. I don't really have much on watch right now, guys. I'm kind of just waiting to see what this market wants to do. We do have some type of consolidation here, though. This is exactly what happened the other day. We ended up breaking out of the consolidation. We pumped like 200 points.
Why did spider bites hurt so bad?
What's up, David? That's insane. Sometimes I do want to get back in options. I have a friend that trades options and he crushes it. Yeah, Jen's gonna turn into a spider.
I feel like you don't notice it, and then once you notice it, it's all you can think about. Yeah, when you get a spider bite.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
No, I'm not looking for anything in particular just yet. kind of like longs down here at 16-ish.
$16.
Yeah.
See that?
The only thing I don't like though is like how we keep having all these wicks. It's like we're filling a close higher. We are moving higher, but so it looks like we're getting weak coming up. Oh yeah, I got you, bro. So nice outside. What kind of?
Yeah, it is super nice.
It's hot.
I took my kids to the park earlier and it was like melting.
Yeah.
So
Better watch out. You're gonna get sunburned.
probably not.
Yeah, you will. You can get sunburned, Miss Jen.
Racist of you to say, actually.
Have you seen me in the summer?
Probably.
Ever? I don't remember if I've seen you last summer. Anyways, I get super dark in the summer.
Roger, I have no idea what that means. AMD. Is that an ICT term? We were joking when we were saying that I trade ICT. I do not trade ICT.
Yeah, she does.
No, I don't.
She
I don't
loves
know anything.
ICT trading.
I do know what a fair value gap is, but that's about all I know.
Honestly, I think that could happen, Geo. I think we could break up like yesterday. I'm just kind of glad that the last hour of market wasn't choppy. I mean, we somewhat had movement. You know, we had that big move to the upside. My biggest thing is I want to see us close fairly well up in this area on this next 15 minute and get a pullback for longs. If we were able to get an entry around like 20 to like 16, I'd ideally have my stops below like 600. It is a banger, bro. I think it's funny that you want me to play music when you could just play music and listen to me. Nope, no trades yet. We're just waiting. I don't know. I don't think I'd really like the longs if we closed below like this opening level. Because now it looks like we want to come back. What's good, Tyler?
Tyler,
Nice.
how'd you trade today, Tyler? No names. Oh.
No names.
No mames.
No mames.
Uh-oh.
He's been a bad boy. Felt good to catch a dub yesterday, though, guys. I can tell you, even though things have been slow, felt good to catch a dub. See what gold's doing. What do you think about a close below 650 on gold, Chen? And then a wick, like a strong close below it, and then a wick back into it for shorts.
Let me look. I don't have it pulled up.
We're just starting to look weak on gold.
Close below what? 650?
Close below 650, a wick back into it, and then for a potential short.
Yeah. I kind of like that.
I'm going to keep that on watch, guys. So I'll keep gold on my screen as well.
It kind of looked like 38 to 40 is kind of like a strong level.
Yeah, for sure. That's what my price target would probably end up being.
Yeah. Target that for sure.
So it'd be what, like 15 points or so, depending on what we got.
Yeah, I don't mind that at all.
Either way, I'd just like to close below 650 on the 15-minute. It do look like we potentially could want to start pushing down. Yeah, Jen's kids are gonna start saying no mames. One of my commenters said, Jen, like them little kids that hear things and randomly start saying no mames. Oh, yeah. He's saying, Jen, you're like one of the little kids.
What?
He's saying you're like one of those little kids that randomly hear phrases or words and start saying it.
That's not true. I'm not like that. I need to understand what it means before I'll say it.
I have some words for you.
You have words for me?
Yeah. Bad words.
I don't think I want to know your words.
I know. Hold on, let me get some water. Damn, I'm almost out of water, guys. I'm kindly accepting donations for sparkling water from my office fridge.
I'm drinking a cherry vanilla Olipop right now. It's pretty fire.
Olipops are good. I prefer sparkling water though.
Sparkling?
My favorite.
The float.
My favorite.
Old. Are you watching it?
Oh, yep. Let's see. No, I'm actually not watching it. Let's see. I'm gonna see it pop up into the emails with the rejection. Hopefully an entry around like 53. Let's see if we can get it on gold. On gold, guys. You know, switches.
Ooh, we're watching gold, guys.
Gold futuros.
That's also if it pulled back to 53 or 50. Sorry, if you get a pullback to 52, that's the bottom of the 15-minute orb for gold. There was already a failed break to the upside, so I would almost take it like at 52.5.
You gonna take it with us, or you gonna be a nerd?
I'll take it. I have it pulled up right now.
Dope, dude. You're a real one.
I'm on evals, FYI.
Oh, you're a nerd.
Well, because I'm only trading my Tradeify fundeds. I only have fundeds with Tradeify right now, and I'm only trading them during New York, taking base hits.
So 54s are open on gold. I'd like to see so we can elect 57 rejection. Hopefully get an entry around 54. Stop loss is probably above 60 with TP, full TP down here at 35. So 6-point risk with 15-point profit, or no, it'd be like 19 points in profit. It's a pretty good RR, if you ask me, 1 to 3. So I'm gonna wait for this, watch this closely, see if we can get this push down on it, or pull back up, I guess you could say. So the ones I'm watching is MGCJ6.
Same.
Here, I typed it in chat for you as well. MGCJ6. And I'll probably,
Dang, that's right where I wanted to enter. A lot of them walked away. Get to a snap. Literally just perfectly rejected the bottom of that 15-minute range.
I'm gonna give it a go with light size, more to add up if we get up there.
You're getting in right now?
I'm gonna give it a try. I do like that rejection. We didn't quite get where I wanted it, but did reject off of priority close. Come on, just give us 50 points to the downside on gold. Short. I'm short on gold. I have a starter position.
Oh, let me enter.
Huh?
What is that? It's saying users are prevented from opening a position on symbol. Does Apex not let you trade gold?
Apex, let's. Oh, wait, I don't know. Are you trading micros or full contracts?
Micros. MGC. J6. Bruh. That's annoying.
Damn. I'm not on it. I'm not trading on my Apex accounts.
Is anyone on Apex?
Are you guys able to trade gold at all? Nope, no metals on Apex. I'm taking it.
For real?
Yeah, that's what the chat's saying. Oh, sorry, guys.
This is why I traded Tradeify.
I'm trading on my FFF account right now. That's why I didn't know either. Come on, just give me a nasty push down. You guys could watch this 620 on NQ as well.
Oh, that's so annoying.
Saudi Jen. I thought they lifted that ban on all firms already. You guys can watch this 620, like I said, though, on NQ. $620 on NQ futures. It kind of looks like it's confirming on NQ futures. We just bounced off that fib that I have there. If you guys do end up taking this, you guys could target the highs.
I'm annoyed now.
Watch how long on NQ, Jen.
I know, I was watching it, but I wanted it to pull back a little further, to be honest.
Come on, give me 35.
Is it dropping? I'm not even watching.
Yeah, it's starting to drop a little bit. Up like 6 points or so, 5 points. My full target is 35, 635, but sorry, excuse me. I'll take trims on the way down. If we crack this low again, I'll take the trim. What was that?
You're bouncing off the 20 EMA on the 15, like to the T.
Oh shit. I don't really like that bounce on it.
Yeah, TT. Okay, TT.
I like her name.
Whose name?
Your daughter's name?
Oh, her full name or her nickname?
Her nickname.
Did I tell you that or did you see on my story that we're gonna find out the gender this weekend probably?
Dope.
I just did a blood test today.
Are you gonna do like a gender reveal or no?
No, I haven't decided. It's kind of weird because of what's going on with Rob's mom.
Yeah, I feel you.
Like we'd want to be able to like have them there, but she couldn't come, and his dad probably wouldn't come. I don't know. It's just weird. So we might just do it with some friends. We're trying to decide. Ooh. I want to see what happens when this volume comes in, hopefully in 8 minutes. Not sold on the long on NQ, only because we made that high when we opened, and then we didn't go make a new high. Like we failed to go higher.
I feel like this gold's trying to come to CCMAs. Why is my gold not moving on Thinkorswim? I'm still in these gold shorts. I'm gonna see what we're gonna do here.
Is it crazy that I kind of like the idea of a short on NQ?
No, I don't. I mean, we had that bounce off that fib, but you guys are right. We are starting to reject. So that's definitely not off the table for short as well. That was just my idea for continuance. Come on, gold die. Vámonos.
I took a stab at the short.
On what?
NQ.
Jen is short on NQ. I'm short on gold. We're just
risky trade.
Yeah.
It's not my normal setup. I'm also on evals.
For those of you that didn't get that are trading on Apex couldn't get in with me, you guys could try that trade with Jen.
Don't follow me on this trade, you guys, unless you like see it yourself very distinctly. Please. Please don't.
I'm gonna take a little bit off right here on gold, guys.
Is it dropping for you?
Yeah, it's dropping.
Nice.
Let's be safe, guys.
Pretty much doing the exact opposite of what I wanted to see on the short side.
There we go. I'm gonna take a little bit more off right here. I'm gonna put the rest at break even and hold till I have a price target at 35 and then 30 on the final two that I'm holding. That was nice. Over almost 13 points on gold. I think it got filled at like 50. Make sure you guys set the stop loss to break even.
I was just gonna say, I have my stop above the high of day at 59. High session. A wider stop. I'm probably gonna get stopped out.
I'm probably gonna get stopped out in the last two. I took a lot of it off though. I was in 7, so I took a lot off. That was my first time trading gold in a while. I made good profit on that as well.
Nice. Proud of you, buddy.
Thank you. Yeah, my realized gain is a little bit over 500 on that. Not bad. And it's on this FFF Pro account, so I could, if I wanted to, I could take the payout today. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna build it up a little bit because it's 80%, and then once I do take the payout, my not drawdown. Oh yeah, the drawdown. It goes down to I got stopped out right there, guys, at 50. It can still go though, honestly. My drawdown, if I do take a payout, goes to 0, and my account is at 2270 right now. Nice, guys. Some change. Did you guys make money on that? Did you get stopped out, Jen?
No.
Okay.
I'm still in it.
Nice. I might transition to NQ with you. What was your fill?
Well, I'm in drawdown right now by like 6 points.
Okay.
My fill is 2.8. But if I end up getting like more confirmation, I might add in because I'm only in a few micros. Nothing crazy because this isn't a trade I would typically take. It's like not my normal. It was just kind of like a gut instinct. Not gut instinct, but based off of the fact that we failed to go higher.
Yep. We still going down on gold. Switch my charts back. Probably won't touch gold anymore, guys, tonight. That was a nice trade on gold, guys.
What was your, how many points did you get on it?
My average with what I got off was 10
Oh, nice.
on 5 micros. The other 2 got stopped at break even. So I made like 500 bucks on that. A little bit over 500.
I like it.
Nice, guys. I trade micro gold with FFF. I think the drawdown on that trade wasn't bad at all. I can't believe I traded gold.
I know. Every time I talk about gold, you're like, no.
I know. What's your stop at? 49 or 50?
Sorry, I went to a different tab. It's at 60.
Okay.
So there's a little space for it to go higher if it wants to. But this is really where I want it to reject and not make a new high.
My scenario somewhat worked. If anybody took that.
Your scenario did work. 20 to 48.
Yep. It's like 28 points, not bad. I'll see if I can find something else, guys. We shall see. I am sitting up nice for the night, so I probably will take something with less size. What up, Brandon? I see you in the thing. Not gay Brandon, the cool Brandon.
It's the gay Brandon.
You know who the gay Brandon is, the mean one.
Brandon Rosebud?
Yeah.
That's terrible.
The cool Brandon is Brandon the fighter.
Oh, yeah.
He's not even replying to me. That's messed up. There you are. There you are, buddy. Miss you up in here, dude. You come hang out with me. Why is my messages not going through? Reset my phone. We're doing good. We're doing good.
Not looking good for me.
I want to say we react to like 60 to 61 up in this zone up here for a potential short.
I'm gonna widen my stop a little bit then.
Huh?
I'm gonna widen my stop a little bit then. What? You need water? Okay. Milk or water?
The week's going good. Going good.
Here you go.
Oh shit. Jen,
What?
it's starting to go your way again. Got that little bit of a rejection.
Nice. Up the highs? No, maybe we'll move down. I'm really not attached to it.
Damn it. I was gonna try a piece right there too. We've been up almost 20 points off that.
Nice.
Nah.
Okay, hold on, I'm making a yogurt bowl.
Alright. Nice white. I'm gonna wait for a pullback into maybe like this 50 to like 52 for a short maybe.
Starts like really dumping, okay?
Honestly, I think you might get it.
Is it dumping?
Yeah, it's kind of sitting.
Fine.
I think you guys can catch this.
What, honey? You drank it all?
Nice. Yeah, it does go you up. I want to pull back before though. I want the pull back. My bad, friend, for wanting a pullback. Got 2 minutes left on this candle. What's up, Jason? How's it going, man? Haven't seen you in a while. Nice white beast.
Right into don't.
No, give me a pullback first. Espera. There you go, white. I'm just gonna pullback first, dude.
Why are you cheering for white? I've been in this trade for like 30 minutes.
Yeah, but I don't get to talk to white every day, and
I'm just kidding.
He got a great entry.
White's entry was way better than mine.
Literally. White, did you have a supply zone up here, dude? Oh, I should have just let it go. I swear I should have took it. If I would have taken it where I would have like literally got in at like 5-7. I wanted to be patient and see if we'd get a reaction first and try and break above it, but keep failing. 56. Nice. I had a supply zone up here. Well, a small supply zone.
I want to go see the low of the session, personally.
Okay, Lion King.
604.
Okay, Lion King Jen.
Hmm?
Said okay, Lion King Jen.
Lion King? What does that mean?
I don't know. I just came up with it. You like it or no?
We're watching Frozen right now, so I don't know.
Let it go, let it go.
Hey, you hear Mr. Gene singing?
Let it go, let it go. Jen is currently still in shorts. Short 1000. I want to see it pull back. Vamos a pussy a pullback for continuation. Nice white. What a golden I'm doing.
White is going off.
Yeah, I think gold is gonna flip and go down, honestly. Honestly, I don't think I'd hate to try it at 50 again. See if we get up in there. Consider trying gold again at 50.
White, what's your target? 0? 0?
Settle.
When we were having s'mores last night after I talked to you on the phone, Jane. Oh, wait. When was it that I talked to you on the phone about landscaping?
Yesterday.
Rob and I were sitting by our fire and just like going back and forth trying to say carne asada.
Carne asada.
I was like, we need Jane here to teach us.
Did you talk to my friend?
I texted him back in that group saying like, hey, text me in a separate thread and send me some of your photos or your website, but he never did. So I didn't follow up with him.
Jazz. Really want to see it.
Crafting it over here, 10 points in profit, my friends. We do have the 15-minute 8 EMA coming off. I just want to hold forever. Like, I think we could just dump.
Alright, guys, I'm going to try some gold shorts here again.
Double whammy on gold.
Yeah, I'm going to try gold shorts again. I like the way they're setting up. Let me change my chart again.
Amazing.
I like the way that we're setting up.
It's 20 and 608.
Honestly, we could put our stop above like this 5-2-ish, 5-3, and then I'd like to see the low again. So, yeah, around around 4 points or so of risk for 10 points of take profit or profit. That's what I'm trying. Trying shorts on gold again.
Are you training at the office tomorrow?
I don't know. Haven't talked to Jay Dizzle. Yeah. Die gold. We're in a little bit of profit, nearly break even pretty much right now. My average is 4.8. I love to see it just dump. Just die, go all the way to 0. Come on.
to dump, please.
Time to dump gold, please. Just the whole market. Just make it die.
We need a Trump tweet.
Does that make gold dump too? There you go. There you go, Jen. There you go.
Let's go. I'm up 20 points.
There you go, White.
Should I trim? Should I just hold forever?
Are you in evals?
Yeah. What?
Are you in evals?
Yeah, I'm just gonna hold forever, right?
No, mames. There it goes.
I mean, we're breaking. I don't see a reason that we do have this level.
If you can hold below this 17, you're good.
Quite a bit.
There we go. Gold, come on. Up almost 3 points. Vámonos. Down. Come on, vámonos. Everybody, let's go.
I'm gonna go break even at this point.
Vámonos, puto.
Right, friend?
Yup. There you go. Come on, gold. Do it for daddy, please.
Please. There we go. There we go.
There you go, Inku.
23 points.
Alright, we're up almost 5 points on gold. You guys go ahead, take a trim once we hit 43.
Yeah, I'll trim here. I'll trim. I'll take a trim ski. The volume is looking good to just keep going down. Oh shoot. I thought I just clicked the trim.
This looks like a good bear flag setting up 2 on the 5 on gold.
I can't see gold because I'm on my laptop. I don't have it pulled up.
Die. This is my first time being in 2 trades. That's hilarious. There you go. All right. That trim filled, guys. I'm holding the rest.
I just trimmed. I think I'm at 25 points. Technically, that was like 1-to-1, I think, right?
Let's see.
Ish.
Did we bounce at that? No, we closed below it. Now I think we could push down. See if it'll give us that. That next move down. Come on. Come on, gold. You could do it. No.
Trying to look at your gold short. Where did you get in?
48.
Oh, so you're like right at break even right now?
Yeah.
All right.
I took 4 off at 43.
Voice.
I got 3 more. I'm considering splitting it to break even. Nice, Nick. Let's go. Nice, guys. What's NQ at now?
14. 14.
Damn.
4 minutes till this candle closes. Really want this 15-minute candle to close below all these wicks and below the 8. I'll be feeling real good to keep holding this.
I'm placing trades on TradeAway. I think we could really get this sell off from gold. I'm considering stopping the rest out though at 48 at the entry. I mean, I already have 200, around 200 bucks minus fees, realized on that move down.
I like that 15-minute close when it's done.
$5.30. We did close below the 8 EMA on the 15 as well. I'm gonna put my stop loss on this gold to 52. So if I get stopped out, I'll get stopped out for $120 on the other 3 contracts that I have. That's fire, White. Let's go. How are you looking on the day? Honestly, if you guys made a good profit in Asia session, I wouldn't even trade New York tomorrow.
Unless you're trading on different accounts.
Yeah, I guess it could be a good day to just trade only evals.
Wait, why do you think tomorrow's going to be bad?
I think it's gonna be bad just because of quad witching day.
Oh, I forgot about
Someone
that.
said appreciate the call out screen 900 on New York with Jada and 350 for with you. Nice. Are you still in the shorts, Jen?
I am.
Nice.
Diamond ending this one. It's not what it's called, but that's what the kids call it.
What'd you say?
Oh shoot.
Sure am.
Right what? Yeah, I'm still holding it. And I said, I'm going to try and diamond hand it. And I said, is that what the kids say?
Yeah.
Right,
Well, not.
that's good. Paper hands are bad, right?
Yeah. I get paper hands sometimes. Because I like taking prop firms' money. It's fun. And I get more leverage.
I was tending to my master.
Children.
Jackson's not here, is it? Parkour.
You think he could teach me parkour? No.
He could try. He thinks everything is meant to be climbed and jumped off of. So.
Nice.
Yeah, Pruitt decided that she was not going to gymnastics today though, so she's been in a mood since she woke up this morning, literally just screaming her head off at me for no reason. It's been fun.
There we go.
Low key, I'm like, wait,
Gold is getting that pushed down, guys. Now die, please. Go all the way down to like 4,600. It'd be a massive trade.
I just put my TP at previous day low, New York session low at 361. Just leave it and see if we hit it.
Yup.
Oh, PDL is at 324, excuse me, not 361. My break even is at
There we go.
36.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna get out of the gold trade. I'm out. I'm being a wimp. I don't want to hold.
Come on.
What?
I'm in hands.
Well, I'm up a little bit under $1,000 from those two trades on gold. Nice. That was nice, guys. Well, that's honestly all for me. I'll chill around a little bit with till Jen gets out of her trade.
We could be here till London session.
Yeah, you're crazy. I gotta go look at this house after. Well, soon.
What house? You're buying a house?
No.
Oh, the house you're moving to?
Yeah, the house I'm moving to. I don't want to buy yet, and honestly, I'm not ready to buy yet. I need to keep saving. Houses are literally ridiculous these days.
I think I'll take my next trim at 587.
Damn. Okay, baller.
We'll see.
Have a good night, ZC. Missed my NQ trades today, but at least I made money on gold. That would have printed if I would have caught it at 60. Honestly, I think I made more money trading gold today than I would have just trading NQ. That would have been the only trade, or I would have probably took this trade actually right here.
You would have took that 620 you were watching?
Yeah, say I got filled at 625 up to like 655. That's 30 points times 8, 16 times 30. And then 50, 55 down to 20. Yeah, I would have made the same.
Nice.
Yep.
Not any shorts with us.
No, I'm not. That was a good way to end the week. Finally have a green week. I lost $150 on Monday. What did we catch yesterday? Got like 38. We were up like 38 points. Can't remember what I made yesterday though.
What's for dinner tonight, Jane?
I'm not sure. Actually, I'm making steak because I'm making steak for my dog for his last meal. Well,
Who's
no.
calling me Jennifer in the chat? Joe?
Yeah.
Joseph?
It's Jennifer.
Get out of here, Joseph.
Joseph.
Don't let me know your middle name or I'll freaking pull out the full thing.
Hold on, Jen.
Smoked mac and cheese it is. Whoa. I feel like most of the time when people say gold screwed them, it's that they aren't like, and I'm not saying this about you personally, but a lot of people I talk to, they're like, oh yeah, gold, screwed me over. But in reality, it's that they're not properly sized for gold because they're used to trading NQ. It's really easy to oversize with gold. I would like to usually come down to this 20 on the 15-minute / it's also the 20 on the 1 hour. It's at 587 right now. I want to see how we react down at this low of day.
All right, YouTube and TikTok. I'm out of here for today. It's the last trade I'm gonna take. Thank you again for tuning in this week. We'll see you next week on Monday, same time. Peace out, guys. DM me with any questions you may have over the weekend. I'll be going over my DMs. DINERO_trades. See you guys. Peace.